So this is the symbol dichomeo, and this is the way you can learn to draw. Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the symbol which you get in Reiki third, the master symbol of Master Usai Reiki Riho system. This symbol is dichomeo. Now dichomeo is a divine symbol with high vibration in it. Dichomeo in Japanese language means the divine shining light. So with this phrase you can make out that it is the energy beyond, and it can fill the humans, the objects, the elements with light. It is very high vibrating energy. That is pure and pure light of the God Most High of the universe. It seems to be the source itself, and we connect ourselves to the highest source of energy. So it can work beyond your perception. We cannot think the results of dichomeo when we just call this energy, because our thought process has some limitation. But this symbol is beyond everything. It takes a person to a higher self. It vibrates at higher energy, so uplifts your energy. That is why it can remove all the negative energies around you. It is the whole universe around us that loves and sustains us. So dichomeo का आवाहन हम करते हैं. Usually we just feel that it is drawn in us when we invoke its power. We just feel its power entering in our body, and we just chant its mantra dichomeo, dichomeo, dichomeo 3 times, and then put our intention. Although it has its own wisdom, which is beyond our perception, but if you intend for something, that desire of yours will be fulfilled, and you have to trust and believe. So dichomeo कैसा भी नेगेटिविटी, कैसे भी सिचुएशन हो, आपको बाहर निकाल के ले आएगी. डाइकोमियो पे बहुत फेथ रखिए. ये बहुत ही हाई वाइब्रेटिंग सिंबल है जिसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत ही वंडरफुल होते हैं, अमेजिंग होते हैं. और इसके प्रति उतनी ही श्रद्धा जैसे कि हम ईश्वर के प्रति रखते हैं, हम जिनको मानते हैं उनके प्रति रखते हैं. क्योंकि यूजुअली हम सिंबल को कॉल करते हैं और जस्ट फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं. So we should not take symbols just for granted. They are angels themselves. They are God themselves. They are higher energy themselves. उनको pray करके, thankful होके receive करिए और intent करिए, और देखिए आपका कैसे काम हो जाएगा. You can use the symbol in your house, in your body, in any object, for fulfilling any purpose, for removing any type of negativity. You can put an element, that is water, or anywhere you want in life. It will only enhances the vibration of that intention or that job which you have intended to be completed. So this is all about dichomio. And just love the symbol. Just have a faith, surrender yourself to this symbol, and then work. And be thankful always. So for today, I think it is enough. Next time, I'll take another symbol and we will talk about.